Aliza, I'm going to tell you a picture of it. So the grandma's wearing green on her, and then yellow, and then white. And then Biff was going, and then there was Biff everywhere on the TV. Then Biff was buying a dish for her mom. There was a fish on it. Then Biff gave the money to the person, and then Chip was buying a bag for his mom. After that, the dad said the bag that had boats on it, 3 boats, and then Chip gave money to the girl. After that, Kipper was with her friend and her mom. Then he was buying chocolate for her mom. There was a bird sitting on a big brown wall. Kipper gave the present to the mom, and Biff gave the present to her mom, and Chip gave the present to her mom, and then the dad gave a present too. Then she was so happy. So Biff got a dish, and Chip got a bag, Kipper got chocolate, and to tell you another story. Biff had to get... My name is Aliza. I'm going to story about Jack. Kipper ran to Mom. Look, a chicken. Fluffy ran at the chicken. The chicken ran at Fluffy. Fluffy ran into the shed. The chicken was on the box. It ran at Dad. Quick, pick him up. Shut it in the pan.